Okay, as you can see, I've already completed one eye, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the other. And the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyes, and as usual, I use my favorite, which is the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to go ahead and put that all over the lid. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start my eye look. And the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose Makeup Palette, which looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and start my look by picking up this color down here at the bottom of the palette, which is right here. And I'm going to be using my Morphe E27 brush to blend this into my crease, slightly above, almost up to the brow bone area. I'm patting it on first, and then I'm going to go ahead and spread that out using windshield wiper motions. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is apply my concealer, and I'm using one by Black Opal Cosmetics. You've seen me use this in several videos previous to this one. This one is in Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to go ahead and place this on the lid, like right below that color, up to the crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that in. I'm just patting it into my lid until it's smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my CoverGirl Medium Concealer, and I just potted it and put it in here. And I'm using an angle brush, and I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brow bone area. I'm going to go ahead and set that brow bone area with this color in the palette right here in the upper left corner, which is a highlighter color. I'm going to add just a little pop of color, like right near the brow bone area, like right there, just to kind of highlight it a little bit and make it a little bit brighter. Now I'm going to pick up my Sigma tapered blending brush in E40, and I'm going to go into this palette, and I'm going to pick up this gorgeous brown shade right here, and I'm going to place that in the crease. Because this concealer is so thick is the reason why I would rather place the color first by patting it into the crease, and then I can blend it out, because it's skipping. So you want to place the color first by patting, and then you can build it up if you want to, and blend it with back and forth sweeper motions after you place the crease color where you want it. I'm making sure to bring that color all the way up into the crease, into my inner third of my eye right here, where it just meets the outer edge of my nose, like right in that area, and just bringing it over. Now I'm going to use a clean blender brush to blend out these edges, since this kind of overlapped into this color right here, and just blend that out. And that's all I'm doing, is just blending out the edges to make it clean, like right up in there. Now I could have cut the crease with some concealer in this area, but I don't want a sharp defined crease. I want it to be kind of diffused and soft like this eye right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just pat this color from this palette on to my lid, which is right there. And like I said, these are matte colors, so I'm going to make sure I pack this on. And I'm just using a regular shader brush by Revlon. I'm patting this away, or brush it away if you, and I'm bringing it all the way into the inner third of my eye. Now I'm going to take my tapered blender brush, which is by Luxie 140, which was featured in my current Ipsy unboxing video, and I'm going to go ahead and pick up this shade dead center in the middle of this palette, which is this beautiful rose gold color right here, and I'm going to place it on my tear duct. Now I'm going to use my Revetri black liquid liner. And if you can't get your hands on this, any black liquid liner will do. My usual favorite is NYC black liquid liner, but I have been loving this ever since I got this in my August Ipsy bag, so I've been heavy on this as of late. So we're going to go ahead and eyeline my upper lid. Now I'm applying my mascara, my usual suspect, my Rimmel Super Lash Mascara in Black. And I'm applying it to my upper lashes. And then next I'm applying my lashes, which is my favorites, my Salon Perfect 614 lashes. Okay, for purposes of this video, I don't want to make it longer than what it is, but I've already applied my foundation. In this case, I've used two. One is a stick by Anastasia Beverly Hills in Amber. And then I combine this with Makeup Forever's Y505 HD Liquid Foundation. So these two will mix together for my foundation. And then I went ahead and set that with my Sephora Toffee Caramel Powder Foundation, which is my favorite. And now we're going to go ahead and bronze my face or contour it. This is a bronzer by Wet n Wild called Queensland. I just picked this up just recently and I wanted to try this out. So we're going to go ahead and apply that with a small flat shader brush instead of my usual Real Techniques brush. And we're going to bronze certain areas of my face. I think I'm going to go in with a deeper contour because this is really, really light and it has a shimmer to it. I don't know if you can see that or if it's picking up on camera, but it's really pretty though, but it's really, really light. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull out my Milani bronzer, and I'm going to use that as my darker contour. And it's what I usually use, Sunset Strip. And I'm going to go ahead and deepen my contour behind this color by Wet n Wild. which is pretty, but it is a little bit lighter compared to this one. When you look at both of them in the compact, they look like that. So obviously this one is darker, even though it's not showing up on the camera as white, but this one is lighter than this one. So we're going to use the Milani bronzer as the darker color to contour with. And I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to contour my nose with it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Milani Sunset Duos bronzer and just go right down the sides of my nose. Just taking it right on the edge of the brush. And we're just going up and down my nose. And then I'm going to use the same brush to hit the middle of my Cupid's bow. I'm going to use the Clinique Cherry Pop blush on my cheeks, just to brighten up my cheeks a little bit and make them pop. No pun intended. I'm going to apply my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife Megawatt highlighter to my face. And I'm using my Morphe M501 brush, my favorite brush out of all my brushes that I love to use. You have to be careful with this unless you just want to turn up to 1,000,000 megawatts with this highlighter, but it's really pretty. Then I'm going to take my finger, as usual, and just dot my nose, just right there, with like a little highlight. Now for the final step, we're going to apply a classic red matte lip. And in this case, I am using ColourPop's Silhouette liquid lipstick. And I'm going to line my lips with NYX's lip pencil in Hot Red. Now I'm going to fill them in with my ColourPop liquid lipstick in Silhouette. And this completes my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on a classic, somewhat neutral eye and a Hollywood red lip. So if you like this video, rate, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell on the side so that you'll be notified of any future updates. And until my next video, I will check in with you guys later. God bless you all. I love you, superstars. Bye. Mwah.